How we doing, folks? Gary here from Camping Guru UK. So I've been messing about, I've been making things, bought some carbon fibre rods, only 4mm, which might be a bit thin. Maybe I should have gone for 5 or 6mm, but the idea is to make some ultra lightweight but strong, really strong tent pegs. So what I bought for about about £11 was 10 50cm long lengths of this solid carbon fibre or carbon rods. I've cut them up into, I have 16 20cm long rods, and I'll show you what I did for the ends in a bit. And so they're 20cm, and I've got, what have I got? I've got a load of 15cm ones as well. I actually ran out of the end pieces, but I can make loads more. So I've probably got obviously 20cm, 15, 10 at 15, 20. I mean, I just got huge amounts of pegs there, and I think, oh God, you'll have to work the maths out, but I think they work out about 30p on average each, something like that. And what do we got? We got 16, and we got 20 odd there, 30 pegs. Yeah, I don't know. Work it out. Dirt cheap, real cheap. And I had a load of these sort of plasticky end cap type things knocking around. So all I've done is, let's get an end that I've cut. All I've done is slide those over the end, and I just used a very fine fret saw, wood saw, to cut the carbon fibre. I think something like one of those little whizzy Dremel things probably would be better. And all I've done is put 3 layers of these little rubbery bits on the top. Now, to give you an idea, this peg here, which is a 3 FUL gear aluminium hollow peg, I've used these, really good. So maybe if I'm going out in, I don't know, what sort of conditions would I use these ones that I've made? Probably with my trekking pole tent in the summer, or who knows, maybe some of the ground will be too soft. I've got to do some testing, that's for sure. But this weighs about 12 grams. Let's see if I've got ounces on here. Ounces. Okay, so 0.41. No, I'm going to stick to grams for these things. You can work it out again yourself. So about 12 grams for one of these. The same length carbon fibre one, which again is really tough, weighs about half, weighs less, weighs about 5 grams. About 5 grams for one of those. And yeah, the 15cm one, 3.8 grams. So super cheap. Even going up to the 5 or 6mm doesn't cost a lot more. And I say these may be just a bit too thin, but they do remind me of very thin titanium pegs. I've not checked how much titanium pegs weigh for a similar length, but I know they're going to be a huge amount more expensive than what I've just made. These worked out about, what were these? I think these were about £1.50 per peg, something like that. These 30p per peg, maybe less. I'll have to do the maths. But I will be testing these out. They do go into my lawn really well, easily in, and I did try pulling on them a little bit that way, and they were pretty good. But obviously, being only 4mm, I think the ground will have to be reasonably firm, maybe not rock solid, but you know, you're going to want reasonably firm ground for that. I mean, anyone who's got any experience of using pegs this thin, I would love to hear what you've got to say and what you think about these. I'll be going up into the Lake District, but not for a little while yet, maybe a couple of months. I might be able to get up to the Peak District sooner, or I'll just try them out in the garden, wait for a windy day and see what happens. But yeah, carbon fibre from AliExpress, dirt cheap, 4mm, maybe 5 or 6 might be better. Give you an idea, you know, the comparison there, they're so thin, but super strong, super light, cost nothing, and again, about 5 grams for the longer one, just under, in fact, about 3.8 grams, in fact, for the 15cm one, and this aluminium type one, yeah, 11 and a half. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you got to say. Usual old guff. If you want to like the video, like it. If you want to subscribe. If you don't, makes no difference to me. I just do this as a bit of fun, bit of a sort of history for myself, so I can look back on it in years to come. So cheers. That's Gary from Camping Guru UK.